mouse.
It looks like corny, egg, bacon, and what
Oh
is
man, fuck it. This looks like carne. That's what it looks like.
Yeah. I can't believe he said this is a terrible pancake ever.
I only know how to make scrambled eggs.
You trying to make scrambled eggs? Oh my god, we should have put in chocolate.
The fuck is the...
Don't hit me.
I'm not. I need a fucking...
I feel like you're gonna hit me.
Plato.
Look how ugly this is.
I need bread now.
Wait, what the fuck is that? Oh my god, you ruined everything. Look at this shit. You would eat that, right?
I don't know if I'm gonna eat that.
It looks like carne shit. This looks mad ugly. Just like your face.
Fuck it.
You know how to do that, but you don't know how to cook right.
This is gonna put small.
Yeah. The whole
No,
thing.
matter of fact.
Oh, I thought you were going to put Coke. Yeah. He made it big, now he's making it small. Who the fuck would eat that like that? That looks like a beautiful chest. I don't know. Whoa!
Sound like a fucking man.
I'm sick! Just like you, Squeedo. Oh my god, it smells terrible.
Feels terrible.
You have chocolate right there.
I wanna eat it!
No! You're not gonna eat that shit. Oh no!
What the fuck is that?
Okay. No one was there, so I was about to turn it off. So I stopped it because I don't know even know.
Fucking put syrup.
It hurts me.
I'm not even doing anything.
No, I know. Kana, 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 Dana. I don't know my name. No, that's a lie. Do you know my real name?
Lisa.
No, that's a lie.
Leslie.
No, that's a lie. What's my real name? What is my real name?
I don't know.
What does it say here?
Lisa.
That's a lie.
Lisa.
No, no, no. What does it say here?
Jalissa. Conco. Chili.
Dad, my parents' phone around it. I'm gonna check on the phone. It looks like it's gonna burn. No, baby.
Move.
Don't hit me for a fart.
Oh, man,
Oh
fucking
my god,
burning because of you.
it's black.
I'm not gonna cook pancake. Fuck it.
We made all this other shit.
Whoa. I'm gonna eat scrambled pancake. Fucking chocolate.
I'm gonna throw away the fan. Come on.
No, I try and melt this shit.
Oh my god, you melted
Oh, let's melt the fucking thing together.
What the?
The bracelet.
That looks like
The
carnage.
bracelet.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah! They were kissing. Okay, buddy. Back together. What the heck are you trying to do? Are you done? Can we play Minecraft after this? You could cook a bracelet?
Fucking melting the edge and you keep stepping on me.
I can't. Okay, let's cook it.